Hey guys, today I'm going to show you how to make this cool money paper bill flying animation in After Effects. So let's get into it. Now the first thing to have is like a background and a money bill. We're gonna make a new composition, 1920 by 1080. And we'll add money here. Okay, we can adjust the size, let's say here, and we're gonna click R for rotation, put a keyframe and at around 2 seconds we're gonna click 1 so bill rotates around. Make sure that the anchor point is in the center, so click Control Alt and Home. Now we're going to pre-compose this layer. We can name it whatever we want, let's say money comp 1, and we're going to click P for position on this layer and move the bill out of the screen to the left. Now we're gonna put keyframe right over here, but we will move this bill to the right side. Okay, now access this tool over here and click somewhere in the center so that we can adjust this path a little bit. We're gonna click F9 to ease them and make sure the graph looks something like this. Let's see what we have. Nice. Cool. Okay, so we're gonna add CC cylinder effect to this, and already it's gonna create like a curve around this money bill, so it looks like a real money bill flying, but we're gonna adjust it a bit. Go over here where it says rotation, and we're gonna add 3 keyframes. Then stop here, and we can adjust a bit however we want. So here, and we're gonna move over here and also adjust, and we'll move these 3 keyframes over here. Now we can ease those keyframes and align them like this, and we have this animation. Cool. Over here we can change the lighting if we want. Light direction. Adjust it a bit so we have a nice paper flying animation. Over here we can add a background. I chose this one. We're gonna click transform and fix the comp, and we have a nice money bill flying animation. Thank you guys for watching. Have a nice day. Make sure to like, share, subscribe, and I'll see you next time. Bye.